Welcome to Bollywood Gallery. We are introducing veteran Indian actor Asrani's family. Govardhan Asrani, popularly known simply as Asrani, is an Indian actor and director whose Bollywood career has spanned 5 decades. He was born on 1st January 1940 in Jaipur, British India. Asrani was born into a middle-class Sindhi Hindu family in Jaipur. His father opened a carpet shop. He has 4 sisters and 3 brothers, 2 elder and 1 younger. He married actress Manju Bansal, with whom he fell in love while working together in films like Aaj Ki Taza Khabar and Namak Haram. After they wed, the couple acted in Tapasya, Chandi Sona, Jaane Bahar, Jurmana, Nalayak, Sarkari Mehman and Chor Sipahi. In Aaj Ki Taza Khabar, Asrani played Amit Desai and Manju played Kesri Desai. For this role, he won the Filmfare Award for Best Comedian. Later the couple acted in Hum Nahi Sudhrenge, a home production directed by Asrani in 1980. His son, Naveen Asrani, is a dentist in Ahmedabad. He began to learn acting from Sahitya Kalbhai Thakkar from 1960 to 1962. In 1962, he travelled to Mumbai to seek opportunities to act. In 1963, on an accidental meeting with Kishore Sahu and Hrishikesh Mukherjee, they advised him to learn acting professionally. In 1964, Asrani joined the Film Institute in Pune and finished his course in 1966. He got his big break in Hindi films while playing the friend of actor Biswajit in the film Hare Kaanch Ki Chudiyan in 1967. In the Film Institute, he had impressed many and made his acting break as a hero in 1967 with a Gujarati movie opposite budding actress Wahida. He acted in 4 other movies, mainly as actor or supporting actor, in Gujarati from 1967 to 1969. He did not get many offers from Hindi film industry between 1967 and 1969. His old advisor, Hrishikesh Mukherjee, then gave him the role of supporting actor in the film Satyakam in 1969. He then got noticed in the film Mere Apne. From 1971, he started getting more offers as the main comedian in films or as the close friend of the lead actor. The 2000s saw Asrani in a number of films like Hera Fairy, Chup Chup Ke, Halchal, Deewane Hue Pagal, Garam Masala, Mala Mal Weekly, Bhagam Bhag, De Danadan, Bol Bachchan and Kamal Dhamal Mala Mal. He appeared in a serious role in Kyunki. He was an integral part of comedies by Sajid Nadiadwala and Priyadarshan. After 2000, his screen space in the films of Rohit Shetty and others were reduced gradually after 2009. Asrani and Malika Sherawat were the judges of the 18th annual Naya Andaz competition on 17th April 2010 in New Jersey. Asrani in 2018 played the role of Mikesh's grandfather in the popular web series Permanent Roommates and even appeared in advertisement in 2019. He also played the role of DGP Director General of Police in the serial Partners Trouble Ho Gayi Double. So friends, if you want to watch your favorite celebrities video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe Bollywood Gallery.